first video of the 0 to 10k a month challenge. I just wanted to go do a bit of housekeeping. If you haven't seen the first video, please go have a look at that. It explains a little bit what we're trying to do. But I have been talking to AI, as I always do every day. Speak to it more than my wife. I'm going to break down the process into two different sides of the channel. So the process is gonna have the long video. So this is literally me recording the 5, 6, 7 hours of me building something, which you're more than happy for you to go and watch and view and see me squabble with my own thoughts. And then I'm going to split it into highlights so that condense it down to 20 minutes or 15, 10, whatever, so that the majority of you that don't have the time to sit and watch 8 hours worth of me talking shit, you'll just get to see the highlights. I might even do a voiceover, do a speed up, just so that it's a very easy process for you. So this is just going to be a bit of an admin one to start with. So how it's going to work is that I've chosen a particular stack, and I'm going to stay within that stack as much as I can to keep it simple and easy for you. There are other options available. I am not affiliated with any of these, and I don't intend to be. So please do your due diligence. If there's something easier in your area or in your country, if you're not from the UK, then go and have a look. But I'm going to stick with Vercel for now, just for the free plan. I might move that over to somewhere like Cloudflare maybe at some point, depending on what the scale of how big this goes, but we'll see. I have Claude AI, again, my favorite one, from personal preference. Max plan, which is £150 a month, which I currently do have. The reason being is, again, I love Claude, so I spend a lot of time talking to Claude. I spend a lot of time in the Claude ecosystem, so it's worth me putting that investment in because I get a lot out of it. There was nothing worse than getting halfway through code and then he says, tokens not available. You need to wait till 3 hours. Oh God, couldn't stand it. So it's worth it for me. GitHub, classic, right? Where make yourself a repo, put your code into, sorted, free, nothing worries. A lot of people know about it. So we're going to use Supabase for authentication and for storage and for my database. So it will be £10 a month. You can do it in the free, but I've already got projects that are live, so I have to pay for every one I got live. But there is a free way to do it. So you can use Supabase, you can use other ones. Again, I'm not affiliated with any of these. I think Neon's a good one. Talk to your AI, see what it suggests. For email sending, Gmail, simple and resend, just because I've got accounts with those two. Again, there are other options, so do your due diligence, have a look what's easiest for you. Anything outside of this realm, because I am not building, hosting, GitHub or equivalent and database, anything out of this, I will build myself. I will show you me building it. It will all be with AI, like I said in the first video, and it will all be part of the 5 rules that we spoke about. Anything that I need to buy, so there will be sometimes I'll need something particular that isn't worth my time or the investment on building it. I will explain, because it will be either really, really cheap, so you might as well just use it. And I'll explain why, and I'll explain the costings going forward. So that's more of the housekeeping of what we're going to build, and then the next video will be us starting to build the hub, which we discussed in our first video. Let's do it.